Valentine's, Daddy, I love you. Nagkikita na ako. Promise!
Kilig si Krista Kleiner nang ipakita niya sa GMA News ang singsing na bigay sa kanya ng boyfriend na si JR. Pero bago raw magduda na engagement ring na ito, nilinaw ng beauty queen na promise ring daw ang tawag nila rito.
He's like, I know that you're not ready to get engaged and it's still fresh, but I just want to make a promise to you that even though you're far and you're away, that I will be your man and I'll be faithful to you and I will love you the best I can, near or far. And yun lang, a promise of his feelings for me. So,
That's gonna make me cry.
ako din.
Naiyak pa si Krista nang ikwento niya ang pinagdaanan nila ng boyfriend nang sumama siya sa concert tour ni Julio Iglesias nung isang taon. Ilang buwan din silang nagkalayo ni JR at nagka-problema sila.
Si Julio kasi, he's the type na when we're at dinner or when we're with him, bawal ang telepono. Si JR naman kasi daw baliktad yung mga oras. He'll be texting during dinner and I can't answer kasi pinapagalitan ako ni Julio. Stop texting your boyfriend. When you're with me, I'm your boyfriend. So parang si JR, parang I tell him, I'm so sorry, I couldn't because Julio's getting mad. Sabi niya, how about me? You don't have time for me. Ganyan.
Pero ngayon daw, hindi na halos sila magkahiwalay.
Distance makes the heart grow fonder, and in our case, it really did. As long as you're patient, and we also took the effort, talagang Skype kami 24 hours sa banyo, kumakain, lahat sa shopping mall.
Sa Valentine concert ni Krista kung saan kasama niya si Christian Bautista, manonood sa kanya ang boyfriend na si JR. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.